Well, Olivia is kind of in a difficult situation right now because she's finally found out that Peter has done some not so great things by putting the Observer in him.
Yes.
What is this going to mean for Olivia's arc as we go through these next last six episodes?
Well, I think that she's then going to have to sort of like buck up and decide how she wants to play it this time. You know, she's lost him before, and is she going to let that happen again? And I guess that's the sort of like that's life, isn't it? You keep repeating the same patterns until you finally learn your lesson. So I don't know if this is her her little kick where it's like, come on, what you gonna do? Call on Walter, call on Emil, ask for help and fight for him maybe.
Is she gonna be more proactive in these final six?
Yes, I think everybody actually is. Yeah, too. It's been sort of yes.
Do you have a favorite episode of the ones that are coming up?
No, I don't actually. No.
That's probably a good thing. They're all that good.
Yeah.